will discuss about different green-colored fruits. Part 1. Custard apple. Custard apple. Guava. Guava. Coconut. Coconut. Green apple. Green apple. Pear. Pear. Avocado. Avocado. And lastly, lime. Lime. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different green-colored fruits. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.